Is this for dinner tonight?
No, it's going to be for the freezer.
Why?
Because I already have something else planned for dinner.
So what do we do? So we got to
Okay,
make.
so
Making.
I'm making the tomatillo salsa right now.
Okay.
I got Christmas tomatillos. I never knew I liked tomatillos until I had them. And they're actually really good, but they're so freaking annoying to try to peel off these skins. What else am I gonna put into it? Ooh, our green michelada mix is gonna be super yummy.
Go!
I just make it up as I go along. You can't ask me what the plan is. And then cooking it in the crock pot, and then testing out the TicTok trend of shredding your chicken in the KitchenAid mixer with the paddle attachment.
We're going to use the KitchenAid mixer.
Yeah, buddy.
So when are we going to address the potty training?
Soon. I want to do pretty much the intensive. It's going to be a couple days. It's going to be all we do. It's going to be all I do for 2 days, 2-3 days.
Does that mean she's going to be just allowed to piddle everywhere?
That's not the goal, but yes, it's going to. And then in the KitchenAid, we're going to do the TikTok-y shreddy thing.
Go!
Any questions?
No.
Good.
So
Supposed to be that
we're ready to put it in the crock pot then?
Yeah, after I go feed the baby. Because you know my life is a segmented little cluster. Do this for 5 minutes, feed a child. Do this for 5 minutes, feed the other child. Oh, and change 2 diapers in there. Yay! Oh my gosh, I can't believe the kids are both sleeping and I can talk for a few minutes. This is insane. I am terrible at meal planning. The story of my life is that I try so hard to plan things, and I love writing things down, I love making notes, I love filling out the meal plan forms of what I want to make for the week, and inevitably the meal that I wrote down for Tuesday happens on Thursday, and I have crisscrossy arrows going here and there. And I've had to work on getting better with being okay with that. Your fan club is calling.
Yes.
Do you want shredded chicken for dinner? Well,
Well, you
too
said
bad. It's not going to be tonight. No.
We're going to use the KitchenAid to shred the chicken.
Yes.
Go! Go!
We usually do forks.
Go!
Pain in the butt, isn't it?
Well, I don't know.
You're the one that usually ends up doing it. You should know. But now you get to put it in the KitchenAid.
But then what am I going to do?
Turn the KitchenAid on and go, ooh, it's doing it for me. Fine, I'll put the KitchenAid since you're so butthurt that you don't get to shred it with forks.
Exactly.
That just trying to plan things, looking at it more as a framework instead of, oh, this is what is going to happen on this day. And that's had to learn to be my approach with what Marin even eats. I make this nice dinner and then she wants 2 bites of it. And when she's hungry, she's gonna eat. This is what we're eating. We can enjoy it when we choose to enjoy it. I know it's good. I'm gonna eat it. Speaking of which, I would love to eat my curry. Okay, so now we have our chicken that's cooked in the crock pot, and we are going to put it into the KitchenAid to get it shredded mechanically.
I'm not getting to do what I usually do with the forks.
I'm so sorry I took away your fork job.
There it goes.
Ooh.
It's doing it!
That was
That was fucking right.
That was a good commercial.
It's probably one of the best countries I've ever seen.
What was it? It was for some
It was for
culinary
the San
school.
Diego Comics.
Was it San Diego?
Yeah, because they did
I
the
thought it
whole
was back when
thing.
we were in Chicago.
No, it was here. We were in the Hobbit Hole.
Oh,
And then the
we
salmon.
had real
and then
TV in the Hobbit Hole?
Yeah, we had
How?
TV. It was on Roku.
Commercial.
Yeah, because you have the thing and then it was
You're doing it. That was so stupid. So let's just freeze it.
Okay.
Which was my intent all along anyways. Thought I might get an enchilada meal out of it for today, tomorrow, or the next day. If you have any tips and tricks for potty training, meal planning for busy moms with the best intentions of executing meal planning, please share them in the comments and like and subscribe and let us know that you enjoyed our videos. Thank you.